welcome to your second virtual assembly.
But it's also
Halloween! Please rise and remove your hats for the singing of the national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof to the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
We love Aztec football a lot.
In fact, we wrote a haiku about it.
Football is the best. I hear they're undefeated. Nice job, football team.
What's up, guys? It's the Corona Varsity football team here, and we want to say thank you for all the support we've gotten this year. 4-0, doing really well. Next game is going to be at home against Mountain Point, and then be sure to tune in for next week's game, Thursday.
PalmIsTheBomb.com. Give it up for CDS Palmies.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let it rain. Let me talk to you. Come on. Something like a nipple popping, ting, ting, boots with the fur. The whole club is looking at her. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, it's only got no. Them baggy sweat pants and the Reeboks with the strands. Turn around and lay that big booty and slam. She hit the floor. Next thing you know, it's only got no.
mummy races. Are you guys ready?
to our 2020
2021 Senior Homecoming Royalty.
Aztecs, let's welcome our homecoming court nominees as nominated by Corona faculty. The nominees will be elected by the 2021 senior class online. Our first nominee for King is Carlos Quintero. Carlos's favorite memory at Corona is hauling pallets across the school to set up for bonfire. He'd like to thank all of his teachers, but especially Ms. Schmidt, Ms. Januzzi, Mr. Forbes, Mama Rowe, and Senora Lopez. His ideal first date is buy one, get one free Blizzard night at Dairy Queen. He wants to be a doctor when he grows up.
Welcoming Carlos to court is Oliver. His favorite color is yellow, his favorite animal is the tiger, and his favorite part about being an Aztec is being with his teachers.
Our first nominee for Queen is Nicole Perez. Her favorite memory of Corona is filming the lip dub in the fall of 2018. She'd like to thank Mr. Forbes and Senora Lopez for always encouraging and supporting me in everything I do. Her ideal first date is taking a drive at sunset to get pizza, then ending the night off with ice cream while playing Mario Kart and Just Dance. When she grows up, she wants to be an event planner, and she knows the lyrics to every single Post Malone song. Next we have Luke Bashford. His favorite memory of Corona is when he found out the team made the playoffs for football. His ideal first date is a nice long walk along the beach with a little shred sesh after. When he grows up, he wants to be just like his dad, and his favorite vegetable is a cucumber.
Presenting the sash is Andrew. His favorite colors are red and blue. When he grows up, he wants to be a fireman, and his favorite animal is the giraffe.
Our next nominee is Kayla Cortez. Her favorite memory of Corona was meeting new people freshman year and gaining a newfound confidence in herself. She would like to thank Miss Pease, Miss Palmer, and all the guidance counselors for their help over the first years. Her ideal first date is having a sunset picnic while eating sushi, listening to good music, and talking about life. Welcoming them to court is Quinn. Her favorite color is pink. Her favorite animal is dinosaurs and dolphins, and the best part about being an Aztec is when Grandma picks her up from school.
Next nominee is Eric Lindstrom. His favorite memory of Corona is the Orange Man group performance at the Fall Assembly in 2019. He would like to thank Mr. Werner, Miss Schmidt, and Mr. Dotz for their support in high school. When he grows up, he wants to be a sports journalist, and his ideal first date is dinner and a movie.
Our next nominee for Queen is Sam Encinas. Her favorite memory of Corona is traveling to Boulder, Colorado this summer, going into her junior year for yearbook camp, and becoming really close with all the people she went with. The teachers she'd like to thank, in no particular order, are Miss Thompson, Mr. Malaham, Miss Januzzi, Miss Nava, Miss LaRouche, Senior Quiros, and Miss Urban for all their support. Her ideal first date would be spending the day at the beach and getting in and out at the sunset. Welcoming them to the homecoming court is Cade. His favorite color is red, his favorite animal is the T-Rex, and when he grows up, he wants to be a policeman.
Next, we have Jake Schmidt. His favorite memory of Corona was taking the field every Friday night with his team. He would like to thank Mr. Thornton, Mr. Bechtold, and Mr. Clare for being great coaches. He wants to be a professional athlete when he grows up, and his favorite vegetable is broccoli.
Presenting the sash is Eli. His favorite color is blue. When he grows up, he wants to be a tiger, and the best part about being an Aztec is playing with friends.
Next, we have Anna Jackson. She would like to thank Mr. Olson, Miss Wiley, and Mr. Thornton for being the favorite teacher she's ever been able to meet. Her ideal first date would be something adventurous, like a day trip and spending the day exploring and trying new things. When she grows up, she wants to be an architectural engineer.
Presenting the sash is Brooks. His favorite animal is the tiger. He wants to be a doctor when he grows up, and the best part about being an Aztec is being with his friends and teachers and iPads. Our last nominee for King is Quade Swearingen. His favorite memory of Corona was when he got to spend an entire week in North Carolina with the varsity baseball team, and he completed the NHSI USA baseball tournament as a sophomore. He would like to thank Mr. Malaham, coaches Webb, Garmin, Thornton, Bechtold, Clare, Sanchez, Romney, Wesley, Olson, Yarbrough, Salzar, and Coach Chico Rodriguez. When he grows up, he wants to be an agent for a professional athlete.
And finally, we have Allie Moon. Her favorite memory at Corona was when the lights went out during the senior night football game last season and the Pommies had a dance party on the sidelines, then football beat Mountain Point in double overtime and everyone stormed the field. She'd like to thank Mr. Romney, Miss Buck, Miss Pease, and any other teacher she's had. Her ideal first date is a nice meal at Cane's followed by binge watching Leonardo DiCaprio movies. When she grows up, she wants to be a nurse practitioner, and her favorite vegetable is corn.
Presenting the sash is Isabel. Her favorite color is pink, purple, red, and orange, and when she grows up, she wants to be a horse rider.
Polls are now open to vote for your choice in Homecoming King and Homecoming Queen. The coronation ceremony will take place at halftime on Thursday, November 5th during the varsity game.
Give me a C! C! Give me a D! D! Give me a S! S! Now give it up for a CDS cheer!
Hey guys, thank you all for participating in the Spirit Week, and thanks for all the submissions we got for costumes.
Check out our CDS in costume! Woo! Make sure to submit your Friday video, and here's some highlights from the week.
Hey Corona, I'm so excited to be kicking off our Halloween Spirit Week.
Thank you, Corona, for participating in our second virtual Spirit Week. We love to see your spirit. Have a safe and happy Halloween.
Thank you guys for tuning in to our fall virtual assembly. Make sure to have a fun and safe Halloween weekend, and we'll see you guys at the winter one.